Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Binance using Google Authenticator. First open the Play Store, search for Google Authenticator and install it on your device. Once installed, open the Binance app and tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Go to Security, select Authenticator app and tap Enable. Binance will ask you to verify your account and then display an authenticator key. Copy this key and open Google Authenticator. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner and choose Enter a setup key. Enter Binance as the account name, paste the copied key and tap Add. Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code. Copy this code, return to Binance, tap Next, paste the code and submit it. That's it. Two-factor authentication will now be successfully enabled on your Binance account, giving you an extra layer of security. Thanks for watching.